If you are a beginner and do not know how to complete surveys, then this site is for you. This site has a feature through which you can find out which survey you can complete and which survey you cannot complete. This is a completely new survey site. Very few people know about it, and also this site is 100% legit and genuine. The name of this site is Opinion Pioneer. You have to sign up on this site. After that, complete the survey and get your reward. I have given its sign up link in the description of the video. As soon as you click on that link, you will be directed to its sign up page. Anybody from practically any nation can sign up for Opinion Pioneer. In this site you can create your account through email and Google. Recall to click the verification link in the email you will receive upon registering. After that, you can start earning money right away. To boost your chances of qualifying for surveys, fill out the profile survey right after you join. It's quick, only takes about 4 minutes at most, and you earn 50 points for it. That's a nice little bonus to get you rolling. The main way to make money on this platform is through paid surveys. What's great is how easy it is to find these surveys once you sign up. You won't be scratching your head, wondering where to start. The available surveys are displayed right up front. They show you the probability of complete POC for each survey. This feature gives you a heads up on your chances of qualifying for a survey. It's a neat touch that I haven't really seen on other survey sites and makes the experience more user-friendly. For example, the first survey is of 50.76 points, its POC score is 1900% and it has got a 5-star rating, meaning this survey is quite easy, anyone can complete this survey. The second survey is of 135.36 points, its POC score is unknown and it has got a 4-star rating, meaning this survey is a bit tough. The third survey is of 118.44 points, its POC score is unknown and it has got a 4-star rating, meaning this survey is a bit tough. You might see a survey with only a 300% chance of qualifying, but don't let that discourage you. In my experience, it's still worth giving it a shot. Plus, the survey overview also shows you how long each survey will take and its rating from other users. For every survey you complete, you earn points. It's pretty straightforward. 100 points equal $1. PayPal is the only payment option available as of this time. Once you have earned $10, which is about 1,000 points, you're ready to cash out. You can increase your income by recruiting friends to participate. You receive a 15% commission each time a person you invite makes money. Your buddies do not lose out on these earnings. As a token of appreciation for inviting others, Opinion Pioneer will pay your friends the same proportion. Overall, Opinion Pioneer appears to be a decent paid survey platform in my opinion. Although the site is still relatively new, it already has certain features that many older survey sites do not, including the ability to check your chances of qualifying, receive prizes even if you do not qualify, quick help, and more.